everyone, and welcome back to Carriage House Chronicles. For those of you who are new, my name is Shelby. I have a lovely partner named Justin, and together we have a 9-month-old. Tonight we are going to clean and organize my fridge with everything from the Dollar Tree. So that's what we're gonna do tonight, and I'm really excited. So here we go. That was a little bit of a before of the full fridge. I'm now going to take everything out and put it on the counter so that I can get in there and clean it. So I've just emptied the freezer out. I thought maybe I would get all the frozen stuff out first, but I really wanted to show you guys how gross this freezer is. What is that? So I'm going to give this a clean. And then we'll come back. I just wanted to give a rundown of what I'm using to clean today. I'm using my Norwex cloth that I did talk about in a previous video. All you need is water. I will get this wet. I am going to add some tea tree oil just to give it a little bit of like a fresh scent. So that's what I'm going to be using to clean. I'm not using a whole lot for organization. I'm just going to be using this black bin. I did get this from the Dollar Tree. On the door we have our ice creams, we have our freezer packs, and underneath that is ice cubes, sorry. And then we move on to the freezer part. I have all of our frozen vegetables, so 2 bags of green beans. Behind them is a bag of strawberries. I've got chopped onions, hash browns. I managed to get all the french fries in, just took a little bit of organizing. I've got Wyatt's gluten-free bread. He's got a cow milk allergy, so he cannot have anything with dairy in it. And I have our chicken, and I found a few freezies, so those are there. But yeah, so that's the freezer. The fridge is all empty except for the water. I'm pretty well just going to move all of the water bottles into one of the drawers down below. So I'm going to quickly clean out a drawer. Actually, I'll clean them both out. And then I'm going to move them down there just so I don't have to like take all of them out and then put them all back in. I'm just going to put them down below. You guys, there's a dead fly. Forgot to show you guys how gross these were. I just cleaned this one, but they're really bad. Fridge is pretty dirty as well. Over with you a few of the organizational things that I'm going to be using inside of the fridge. I've bought 2 of these. They're for cans. I use them kind of like a little drawer. Next thing are these containers. They just snap on. And I like to cut up some produce and keep them in these. It helps me see them a little bit better to help me kind of like judge, you know, like what I should be cooking this week, what I need to be using up. It keeps them pretty fresh. I also have one of these containers. It's just the same type of thing, a Tupperware, but it's a little bit wider. Most of the time I've been putting chopped lettuce in this. Another thing, this isn't from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where I got this. I think it was a gift, but I like to put this in the fridge for hard-boiled eggs. So sometimes it just sits in there empty because I don't have any hard-boiled eggs, so like right now. And the next thing I got is this cute little organizer. Sorry, my eggs are in it right now, but that's what I bought them for, is for my eggs. So it's got like a bit of like a rubber bottom, And they also sell these in long single ones that I've noticed a lot of people using them for granola snacks or cheese strings, and some people even use them in their bathroom for more organization. I love the Dollar Tree. I also got one in a square size that right now is kind of holding some cooking type items like butter and minced garlic and stuff, but it's kind of random, so I think I might switch that up too. Anyways, those are just the things that I'm going to be using. I am just going to basically start loading up the fridge, and we'll see what happens when we're done. So we have the eggs here, my hard-boiled station back there, all of our produce cut up for the week. Got some water bottles to grab and go. I have all my milk bags stored in the back. I need to put a milk bag in that. I've got my cream for my coffee. Behind there is apple juice. We have a bit of a dairy tray, so I've got cream and whipped cream that I won't be using for a little bit because we still have some. Block of cheese, cheese whiz back there, and some bacon bits. Over here we have kind of like the cooking sauces, so I've got some broth, tomato sauce, some spicy Thai, and there's some, I think, honey garlic back there. The butter. Down here is the garlic, butter, and then there's a couple like cookies that are ready to pop in the oven. Got some alcohol, water ready to go. We've got our pickles. We've got our like sauces that go with our meats. We've got some more cooking stuff, mustards and salsa. This is Wyatt's little corner, so we usually stack his bottles in here as well. I need to make some. Whipped cream for coffees, jams, and then like our dressings and more spreads. And this is empty, but you know, it looks really good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you are too. I am tired after that. I hope that everybody is impressed with my fridge as much as I am. I probably don't have to do that again for like a month or two now, so I'm pretty happy. I don't know if that's weird. Anyways, hope you liked the video. If you want to see more like this, give it a thumbs up, leave me a message in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.